Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative product that's perfect for anyone looking to make their packing, moving, and shipping process a little more environmentally friendly. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the American Bubble Boy Bubble Wrap, an eco-friendly packing roll that's designed to meet all your shipping and packing needs. This roll consists of 175 feet of small plus bubble wrap, made from an impressive 90% post-consumer recycled materials. It's the first of its kind in the market, which means not only are you protecting your valuable items, but you're also making a responsible choice for our planet. So, what makes this bubble wrap stand out? First and foremost, its eco-friendly credentials are a game-changer. Traditional packing materials can often be wasteful and harmful to the environment. However, American Bubble Boy has taken a significant step forward by creating a product that reduces landfill waste and promotes sustainability. The bubble wrap features small plus bubbles that are 3/16 in size, providing excellent cushioning. This makes it perfect for a variety of packing needs, whether you're wrapping up a flat-screen TV, securing fragile glassware, or protecting heavy-duty furniture during a move. The cushioning is robust yet gentle, ensuring that your items are safe from impacts and shocks. One of the standout technologies in this bubble wrap is the barrier bubble technology. This custom nylon blend is designed to minimize air loss, ensuring that the bubbles stay inflated and effective for longer periods. This means that when you choose American Bubble Boy, you're not just getting a reliable packing material, you're getting one that ensures your items will arrive at their destinations safely and securely. Another feature worth mentioning is the convenient perforation every 12 inches. This thoughtful design allows you to easily tear off sections of bubble wrap, making the packing process much more efficient. Whether you're wrapping up furniture, mirrors, glassware, or even using it for window insulation during colder months, you can quickly cut the exact amount you need without any hassle. The roll is 12 inches wide, providing a versatile packing solution that offers both surface and void protection. This makes it an excellent alternative to packing foam, as it not only fills gaps but also protects the surfaces of your items from scratches and damage. Who is this product suitable for? Well, it's perfect for anyone involved in shipping or moving, whether you're a small business owner, a frequent online seller, or someone who just needs to pack up their home. If you're environmentally conscious and want to reduce your carbon footprint while still ensuring your items are well protected, this bubble wrap will meet your needs. In practical terms, consider using this bubble wrap during your next move to wrap furniture, mirrors, and delicate dishes. If you're a small business owner, it can be an invaluable asset for shipping products to your customers, providing peace of mind that their items will arrive in perfect condition. Artists and craft enthusiasts can also find myriad uses for this bubble wrap, from protecting artwork during transport to using it in creative projects. In conclusion, the American Bubble Boy Bubble Wrap is not just another packing material, it's a thoughtful, eco-friendly solution that combines functionality with sustainability. Its innovative features ensure that your items are secure while also helping to protect the environment.